Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about New Year Profit Bot. Now this is an application that allows you to build done for you funnels and theoretically make $603 every single day. Now this product is very similar to multiple other products that this vendor has released, but we'll go through the actual members area. I'll show you around, I'll show you the kind of things that this produces, and then I'll talk about whether I think this is going to bring you any value. So as usual guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. The aim of these reviews is that you get more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any kind of products like this online. So just before we start guys, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to this channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're serious about building a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So New Year Profit Bot is due to be released on Sunday the 10th of January at 10 AM Eastern, comes off the WarriorPlus network, and it's by Glinkowski. During this review, we'll go through the product, we'll go through the members area, I'll talk to you about the prices, I'll tell you what's good about the product and what's not so good about the product, and then I'll give you my summary so that hopefully you can decide whether this is going to be a good product for you. Now just jump back to the sales page. I'll go over these kind of major headlines here. It's a 100% done for you system. You keep 100% of the commissions earned. It's 100% free traffic built into the system. There's 0 tech skills required. There's 4 to 5 figure day training included. It's 100% beginner friendly. There's a 180-day money back guarantee, and you will finally experience freedom. The reason I've jumped back to this sales page and really the whole product itself is because this is very reminiscent of something called commission pages that was released less than 6 weeks ago. And I think the only difference is they're promising you $525 a day on this one, and on this one they've actually upped it for the year 2021 to $603. So I'm guessing next time they release this will be something like $717, just to make sure we're keeping this more and more valuable for you guys. And I know you guys think I'm probably being flippant, but if you look at this product here, this is the actual interface. If I go into commission pages, it's exactly the same product, but this one is yellow and this one is blue. that is the only difference between these two products guys. Now I have a review on commission pages as well, you go ahead and check that out, but let's just do this and review this in isolation. So this is your main dashboard. It's a very similar dashboard to all of these products. They're all the same, just changing the colors. You come into the dashboard, you've always got this kind of idea for keyword valve. You have this kind of purchase membership levels here, and then you have the dashboard here. So you have the main dashboard, you have tutorials here, you have your campaigns here, you have the done for you products here, done for you bonuses here, social media connections there. You can connect up your various accounts for when you're sharing. You have your free traffic here. Now I'll just quickly talk to you about the traffic. I always do that at the end, but I'll do it at the beginning this time. These are the same products they sell every single time for free traffic, and basically they're traffic that just spams various networks. So things like Affiliate Traffic Lab is just creating very small, very low quality videos from web pages and then putting them on YouTube and hoping to get some traffic. And again, the same as these two, these are both spammy so-called traffic apps that quite frankly do not work. So it's the same kind of products every single time, and they're not going to get you any kind of traffic by using them. Now what you end up having to do is joining all of these various other products as well, and you'll end up on about 20 lists with various people bombarding you with offers. So it becomes very problematic when you start coming over to all of these different products and joining up. So you end up bombarded with, like I say, emails for various things. So that's the actual free traffic. I'm not a big fan of that. And basically the traffic they say is included with this, I don't think is real traffic. Now, if you come to the actual done for you ones, this is going to show you what the actual funnels look like that you're going to create. These are the done for you products, 10 times profit size, 1K daily system. All of these are their own products. So basically they're asking you to promote other poor products to people, and basically you're trying to scam other people as well for a little bit of extra money, which I don't think is a very nice way to be a marketer online. So if I just publish these, you see there's a squeeze page URL, an affiliate page URL, and a download page URL. Now if I just view these, The squeeze page URL is just a basic squeeze page, which is fair enough. I don't like the fact they're using these to promote some of these crappy products they're using COVID to do it, which I think is pretty distasteful. You go to the affiliate page URL, which is where they'd be sent to, and on this copy, nothing happens. There's just this overlay here. If I click off this overlay, I'm assuming I get redirected. Again, nothing's happening on that. And then I go to the download page URL, which is here. They can download their free offer. So that didn't work. If I go to my second 1K daily system and I go ahead and publish that as well, come in here and you view this. There's the squeeze page URL. There's the affiliate page URL. Again, nothing's on here. I don't know what's supposed to be on here. I'm assuming it's supposed to be the offer. And then there's the download page URL. So the actual overall tactic is sound. You have a free lead magnet you give away. You go over to a page, which might be your offer. And then you come back and you give them a download page with maybe more links in it over to other offers. The issue there is, guys, if you haven't got this attached to any kind of email and you're not collecting their details, which they did say on the sales page, you don't need to use email to use this. I don't know how you actually communicate with people on an ongoing basis, because that's not the model that anybody else uses. Everybody else collects your email address and then they email you various emails to promote things, right? That's how it works. So what you'll need to have is some form of email provider. And one thing you'll find with a lot of these email providers, like GetResponse for instance, is they have their own landing page builders included. So you don't actually need this at all. All you need is that, and then create one of their own landing pages and then download pages and use them. You can do that all on GetResponse for something like $15 a month. So that's one big issue with this. And I think these are very, very low quality products that European providers have done for you service. There's also done for you bonuses here. Again, more products that are very, very low quality that they're providing things. So let's look at auto profit sites here. I'm going to publish this. Let's just view the squeeze page. Very, very basic squeeze pages. You collect email addresses. Again, God knows what's supposed to be happening here. And then the download page. Let's just go back to this and have a look. If I hit anything here, what's supposed to happen? Again, nothing. Nothing's happening anywhere. So that could be just the fact this is a review copy, assuming there's supposed to be some kind of affiliate page there. Now, if you share these social shares are not any kind of free traffic. So email, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, unless you've got any form of following on those platforms and you try and share to these platforms, nobody's going to see it. So there's no traffic there either. So the big issue with this is the fact that you're not going to get traffic over to these products. Now, the only one kind of plus I will give to these things is when you actually go to the campaigns and you want to create a campaign, theoretically you could use this as a page builder to create your own pages, which to me is very, very low quality page builder, but does work. So this is where you would actually integrate your autoresponder, but to me, you don't actually need this if you have any of these autoresponders, because most of them will have their own landing pages. So that's kind of the overall product, guys, and I've been through these a lot in my previous reviews. So I'm not going to show you how to actually build one of these pages, but it's all very self-explanatory. You have a lead magnet options here that they provide. You have some theme colors here. Various things like headlines. You could put exit pop-ups, and you could put things like Facebook tools in here. So this is where you would actually design your overall pages. So I just jump back to the sales page. The main issue I have with these sales pages is just how easy they make this sound, and what's really going to happen. I have this through my own experiences. You'll build these pages and nobody will come. Your biggest issue is learning how to drive traffic to these pages. So your foundation of your business is actually how are you creating value for people to come along and want to click on your funnels. Now, if you can't create value, if you're not creating some kind of blog posts, if you're not creating some kind of videos on YouTube that help people and create that value, nobody's going to click on any of your links. Why should they? So there's a couple of elements to this that kind of bothers me all the time, is that big piece is missing. And the second piece is the kind of stuff they're asking you to promote in the first place is equally poor, low value products. And you're actually doing that and you're selling that to people wanting to make a quick buck when you're not actually going to help them. You're going to put them in the same situation you are now, people who are desperate to try and earn a little bit of money, and then you are going to actually contribute towards that by sending them crap online. That's my big issues with these types of products. Just reading through some of these testimonials, guys. I don't know who these people are, but there's no bot about this. A bot is an automated system, and they're making it sound like this is automated. There is no bot about this. Even if you use one of their traffic solutions, you have to create things on a regular basis that are going to drive traffic back to these pages. There's no bot about it. You're not going to be able to do that automatically. So I don't know how these folks managed to generate money. They must have pushed God knows how much traffic down here from existing sources to make any kind of money off this, and they've just ended up scamming somebody. So just jump down to the value, guys. It looks like you're getting about $20,000 here worth of value, and basically you're getting it for around 17 bucks, which is obviously a very, very good deal if it was any good. And it's nonsense, guys. And this $197 a month later, nobody's going to pay $197 for this and not want their money back very, very quickly. So there is a 180-day guarantee, but from my experience, I would not trust that. So guys, here are the prices. The front end is $17. These are the same OTOs they have on every single product. Unlimited version is $67 down to $37. The second number is always the downsell. 100% done for you is $97 down to $67. Unlimited traffic is $147 down to $47. 30k in 30-day version is $147 down to $47. Super affiliate version is at $97 down to $37. The license rights on this are $147 down to $67, and the auto profit boost is $47 down to $37. And just a quick word on OTO3, guys. Unlimited traffic is $147. That unlimited traffic could be worth tens of thousands of dollars if it was true. If I could get unlimited traffic to the products and services that I promote, I would be extremely wealthy very, very quickly. So it's literally nonsense. The second thing on that is, if they can get unlimited traffic, why do they need to give various affiliates commissions to sell their products? They have to pay those affiliates up to 50% of any money that they get by selling the product. So why would you do that if you can get unlimited traffic without needing affiliates? So the pros, guys, the software works, is a 180-day guarantee. There is a done for you page builder in there, but it is very, very low quality. I will leave some videos in the description below which shows the page builder that I use and the way that I build landing pages. It's something called Thrive Architect. It does cost about $60 odd off the top of my head, but once you're paid for it once, you've got a very, very high quality page builder that you can use on an ongoing basis. So if you invest a little bit more money, and by the way, once you've started paying for a few OTOs on this product, you've already got enough money for a very, very nice quality page builder, which will give you the ability to make funnels like this time and time again without having these types of products. The cons, guys, it's very, very low quality products they're giving you as a done for you. There's no traffic solutions on here. It's all spammy nonsense that they're trying to sell you. Very, very poor customer service, unrealistic earnings on here, and I just don't think this is needed. And the conclusion, guys, this is a very, very low quality repeat. I'm going to give this a 1 out of 10. I actually give the last one a 3 out of 10, but they're not improving these products when they resell them. They're not getting any better. They're just staying the same and they're changing colours. So new year, 2021 hasn't actually improved any of these products. They're still exactly the same. So guys, thanks for watching. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.